This question says the first row of a theater has 41 seats. Each subsequent row has 2 more seats than the previous one. If there are 12 rows in the theater, how many seats are there total? So the first row is 41. So A sub 1 is 41, and the next row is always 2 more than the previous. So in terms of a recursion, the next row, A sub n, is 2 more than the previous one. 2 more than A sub n minus 1. So again, our usual thing. A sub 1 is 41. A sub 2 is 43. A sub 3 is 45. A sub 4 is 47. You get the idea. We want to get to A sub 12, though. So how do we find that? What's our usual approach here? The nth term, we start with the first. If we're going to n, we've got to take n minus 1 steps. Each step is the common difference, d. But I want A sub 12. So if I let n be 12, A sub 12 would be the first term plus 12 minus 1, 11 steps of the common difference. What is the first number? The first number is 41. So A sub 12 is 41 plus 12 minus 1. Common difference, what's my common difference here? 41, 43, 45, 47. As we jump up, difference is 2, difference is 2, difference is 2. Common difference is 2. So now we have A sub 12 is 41 plus 12 minus 1 plus 11 times 2. A sub 12 is 41 plus 22. A sub 12 is 63. But I've got to add all of these up. So we have 12 rows. First row, 41. Second row, 43. Third row, 45. 12th row, 63. Before that would be 61. Before that would be 59. There's 6 of them. So these dot, dot, dots, there's not that many in those, but it'll help us to see how this is going to work. We look for our pairs, 41 plus 63, which is 104. 43 plus 61, 104. 45 plus 59, 104. Each pair is 104. How many pairs do we have? Well, there's 12 numbers in the list. So I have 12 divided by 2 pairs. So what's the total? The total would be 12 divided by 2 pairs, 6 times 104. What's that going to give me? We get 624. So the total number of seats in this theater, total is 624. Now let's see if we can get that in a similar fashion, because we have our formula here that says A sub n is A1 plus n minus 1 times d. How about A sub k then? If I use k, my preferred letter for using the calculator, A sub k would be A sub 1 plus k minus 1 times d. What's A sub 1? A sub 1 is 41. So A sub k is 41 plus k minus 1 times d. What's my common difference? Common difference is 2. My total then is the sum, would be the sum as k goes from 1 to 12. 12 rows of 41 plus k minus 1 times 2. And we hope that that gives us 624. So let's go to the graphing calculator and see if that is the case. So we go to math and we go to 0. Summation, k goes from 1 to 12. K goes from 1 to 12 of what? Of 41 plus parentheses k minus 1 times 2. And what does that give me? Again, we hope it's 624, and it is.